Hello and welcome back to Scott and Reed's allotment. Today is the 23rd of June and today we are going to be harvesting our garlic. So I'm going to turn you around and show what we've got. What's that? Picardy. And on the right we have Maddock. So as I was saying, on the left we have Picardy and on the right we have Maddock. Now you can see the difference in size of the garlics. I did order the wrong garlic last year. I weren't supposed to order Picardy, I was supposed to order something else. However, never mind. It looks like we will be ordering Maddock again, because that's a nice big bulb. So I'm going to put you down and we'll crack on harvesting the garlic. So, the difference between the Picardy and the Maddock is quite striking. I know when these came in the post last year, I think I realised then that I ordered the wrong type. Definitely knew I wanted Maddock, but I think the other variety I wanted was Piccadilly. Can't remember off the top of my head, but I will, when I order this year, double check what I'm ordering. I'm definitely going to go for Maddock again, because that is a bigger bulb. And then the Picardy, we'll just use one plant or one bulb for eating and put into as foods. Whereas obviously with Maddock, we'll be able to break down the cloves individually. Maybe I'd save some for next year or later on this year, we never know. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. TTFN.